So my name is Jessica McAllister. I am from Lyndonville, and I'm graduating from Lyndon Institute. My main goal for the future is definitely going to college. I'm gonna major in creative writing and probably double major in something. I'm really excited about graduating high school. I'm the first person in my whole family to graduate, which is really exciting for me. And my family's really proud of me for that, because it's not that they didn't expect it, it's just, it's a surprise, it's big. So I'm excited. Going to college is important to me because I want to have a better life for myself. Not saying that my life is bad now, but I want to be able to financially support myself in the future. My VSAC counselor helped me through the college process, and the Talent Search program definitely broadened the help that could be given as terms of scholarships and everything, which has been really helpful. I would say to a person who is considering doing VSAC to definitely do it. I was very late to the college game. I didn't know any colleges. I didn't know what I really wanted to do. And my VSAC counselor helped me every single step and made it so much less stressful.